guys, Tap it. Hope you're all keeping well. 2 videos in 2 days. Well, it will be if I get this one out tonight. If I don't, it'll be 2 videos in maybe a few more days. But I know the YouTube algorithm hates me at the moment. My videos end up in the very depths, the very bowels of YouTube, never to be seen again. So I'm going to up the regularity of these things and try and get the algorithm promoting the videos a bit more so that you can watch them, right? Because that's the idea. Have a bit of fun and view these things. Tonight, I want to talk about something that is quite interesting to me. A lot of the 570s elements are very interesting to me. This one in particular is the sound of the car. Often evokes a lot of conversation about how it sounds, the 570. That one right there, looking pretty good. A lot of people don't like it. And I have to say, when I first heard it, I was a bit kind of, just not sure about it, just not sure. But it's definitely grown on me. And I absolutely love the sound of it now. I think it's much more race-like than any of the other V8s out there. So if you look at the AMG, that 4-litre V8 sounds fantastic, I know, but it's not racy. It is not a racy sound. It's a beefy, manly, Thor-like sound, right? But this is much more buzzy, much more racy. And on tonight's video, I'm going to show you some clips of it. So we're going to do launch control, sort of a few drive-bys, obviously, you know, not annoying the neighbours too much and adhering to road safety where it's not so busy. But just look at some insight into how the car actually sounds, because it's very important. It's one of the reasons you buy a sports car, right? Tonight I'm assisted by the lovely Hannah, who's decided to help me with a bit of filming, because obviously you can't do a drive-by on your own. Drive-by, obviously a nice drive-by, not one of the bad drive-bys that you might do on a bank or something. But Hannah, hello.
Hello. Wow.
How you doing? Wow, that's in your face, isn't it? Yeah. Yes. Really pushing the boundaries of filming. But yeah, we just kind of randomly found some industrial estate type place, and we'll get out on the roads and do some drive-bys and make the car make some noise, right? Which is what it's all about. So, see you on the other side. One other thing I forgot to mention for this car, this is the standard exhaust completely. I nearly got on with the sports exhaust. I think this is plenty. There's also the MSO exhaust. But the key thing for me is, can you hear the turbocharger? Yes, you can. I love that sound, that whine, that whoosh you get in turbocharged cars, and the lag. This has a lot of it. You'll see that when we do the launch control, you'll hear the turbo whine up, and you'll get that kind of crackle build into the exhaust, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look.
Campaign coordinator, the Labour MP. Noisy bugger.
So that is it for this one. Again, a quick one, just keep the videos churning out. Hope you enjoyed the sound of it. Hopefully if you're looking to buy one of these things, it will have helped you make a decision, but they're great. They're definitely very great. Anyway, bye for now. See you on the next one. Bye.